Thanks again for tuning in. Today we're trying to fix some broken turn signals. So ultimately, try as I might, I hit it left, hit it right, get no indicators and no lights are flashing. Very last thing I thought was, hey, maybe it's inside of the switch. But it's not off, but my horn works and everything else on this panel works. There's only 2 screws on the back of it though, so I thought, what the heck? Let's take these 2 screws off and then see what the switch looks like. So to unscrew the switch cover, it is super duper easy. There are only 2, I think Phillips, probably Japanese industrial tip, but I'm brave with these. So I'm using a Phillips number 1 and they come out pretty easy. When we take both of these off, we'll get to the switch. And I'll try not to lose these screws, as I tend to do. Okay, let's take it apart and look. What do we see? So we got 2 broken wires. I got a broken orange and a broken gray. I bet I can slap some solder onto these. So the switch, you can see it working down in there. Yeah, I bet I could slap some solder onto these and maybe the turn signals will work. Let's grab the old soldering iron then. So this thing is really nice, particularly for automotive work, because you can just kind of get it into anywhere. I'm wondering if I can unplug. Ha! That'll be a lot nicer, a lot easier to work with. So it is like 30 degrees outside. Generally, you want a nice dog's getting into the bike stuff.
In a well-ventilated area without any kind of dog hair or
Well,
that could have been worse.
Could have been a lot worse. It's actually maybe nicer. Coming to a shop near you, floor roll solder. This is, with as electronic as vehicles are, though, out of the realm of imagination. Oh, this stuff heats real easy. That's probably this is like good old solder from the 90s. Look at this gray wire stuff. Helping hand. Ooh. It's still a hot solder. Well, that one looks pretty good, don't it? Trying to be too safe. There's a sign that hangs outside my office that says safety thirds. And safety doesn't get the job done. Solder all nice and hot, liquidy. Ooh, look at that bubble. Pull off the heat, let it cool. Ouch! Okay, back to safety first. So I grabbed this screwdriver to help me hold it down now. Hold it in place, let it cool down for a minute.
Hold it as long as you can for good faith.
No, I'm not Watch this sheen dole up. She's good to go. Okay. That looks good enough for government work, I do say. What do you say we test it?
Does it need another second to dry?
Nah.
I don't know much about solder.
No, it pretty instantly, I mean, as soon as it hardens up good enough to hold the cables, it's gonna hold in place pretty easily. Is it around the side? Yes, that's right. Oh, there it goes. Whatever I just did, got it in. Okay, now, moment of truth. Back on. Turn signal left. Nope, that didn't work. Turn signal right. Also didn't work. Maybe it's got to be running. No. Okay. So after banging my head on the wall for a few minutes, I found this flasher relay on the left side of the bike, just under the seat. And I think what happened is while the switch soldering and all the wires were disconnected, they'd shorted or something and blown the relay. So I went to O'Reilly's, got a relay with the same shape plugs, and well, everything seems to work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see some new videos like a cool speedometer retrofit.